Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jackie and I'm a full-time Etsy seller. I also sell on Handmade at Amazon and my own website. Today I want to talk about SEO, and that is short for search engine optimization. We're going to talk about what it is and why it matters. First off, what it is. So it's basically when a customer types their search query into a search engine like Google, for instance. But Etsy and online selling venues, those are also search engines. So when a customer goes to one of those sites and they type in their search term, you want to be found for the terms that they're searching for. That's why it's really important that you don't guess your keywords. A lot of times you want to guess because you think a lot of people are searching for a particular term. You could be totally wrong. There are also seasonal terms that you have to watch out for, and lots of other stuff, as well as placement, where you're putting your keywords, how often you're using them, etc., etc. So let's take a quick look at Etsy, for instance, and let's see how things pop up over there. Okay, here we are on the Etsy homepage, and I'm going to show you what a customer's typical search behavior looks like. All right, so I'm in Etsy and I'm in the mood to shop for candles. What do we have here? My goodness, almost 500,000 results. There is no way anyone is going to go through 500,000 results. Generally, customers will go through the first couple of pages. Maybe the more ambitious ones will get to page 3 or 4 before they add another keyword in that search. For this sake, I'm not going any further than page 1. So I'm going to type in purple candle. What do we have here? Down to 20,000. Very nice. That is a gorgeous purple candle right there. Okay. Getting there. Now, what if I want to add lavender? Purple lavender candle. Look at that, dropped it down to 2,000. That's pretty amazing, isn't it? So now I'm seeing purple lavender candles. Very specific. A customer is definitely going to find what they're looking for here. Now the point I'm trying to make is you don't want to just type in search terms like candle or ring or soap, whatever it is you sell. You want to get extremely, sorry, I messed that up. You want to get extremely specific. So in this case, candle is a very, very broad keyword. And you saw how many search terms there were, or excuse me, search results there were. The competition was fierce, okay? And then you want to add, okay, purple, of course, if it's purple. And then again, you know, that dropped down to 20,000, and you get a little bit more specific, and it drops it down even more. That's how you're going to get found, and that's the kind of keyword strategy that you want to focus on for every single one of the items in your shop. This is called a long tail keyword, and in some coming videos, we're going to go over my favorite tools to find the best keywords for my titles and my tags. Okay, so the last thing I want to talk about Etsy SEO is page 1. Everybody wants to get to page 1. I want to be on page 1. You want to be on page 1. Well, I hate to break it to you. As of September 2017, there really is no such thing as page 1 for any given person anymore. And that's because they changed their algorithm to be more personalized to each and every user. So for instance, if Etsy noticed that I search the term moose a lot, I like looking at moose items, I purchase a lot of moose items. Let's say one day I decide to type in the search term stacking ring. Well, Etsy might throw in some moose stacking rings if those exist because it thinks that I have a higher chance of purchasing that item, which would probably be true. It's a very, very cool feature. A lot of people are scared of it though, but you shouldn't be, because if you choose the best keywords, you're going to do very well. Another thing is, if your SEO is really good, it will make your promoted listings even better. And lastly, having good SEO means you can get organic sales. which is what we all need and we all want. So pretty soon, like I said, I'm going to go over my favorite tools to do my keyword research for Etsy. So if you like this content and you want to see more, please like and subscribe. Have a great day.